So here's something I got for Christmas, a high lift bed mount for my Jeep Gladiator. Here's what I'm currently using. It's just some hardware and a quick fist. The only downside to it is I do have to unscrew that up there, that eye bolt, to get this off. So let's give it a shot and see how it works with my, I don't know, going on 26-year-old high lift jack.
Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.
Okay, so here it is all installed. Took about 5-10 minutes to do, no big deal. Sticks out quite a bit further. I had to remove my axe for the install, but it should fit back in just fine. Overall, it looks pretty good. Definitely sticks out further than my old setup. My old setup, this was actually against the rail right here. So it's an extra, I don't know, 2 inches probably out from there. These handles seem pretty beefy. It seems pretty well made. It's got little rubber feet on there to hopefully cut down on noise. So we'll see how this works. I've got it up against the back. I've had it up there for a while. It seems to work out pretty well. So I'll report back if there's any issues or challenges with it. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it.
Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.